So in this class we are going to make a result sheet by using lookup, and as well as we will use VlookUp and Hlookup for other problem, for same problem in other Excel sheet. So lookup, and first what you have to understand that in lookup you have to understand the vectors. This is a vectors, that is lookup vectors, and this is a first you have to make a table. But one thing is very important, that you have to make table like this one. Like this one means from small number to big number, from 0, then 60, then 63, then 67. As you know, it's grade point like this: 70 to 73, 77 to 80, 70, 80 to 83, and just see 0 to up to 60 means 59.999. grade will be 0 and grade point will be 0, and just see 60 from 60 grade point started here, but up to 63 means 62.999. okay, so this is very important thing to understand the table. And from 97 to highest level, you know, from up to 100, and 90 from 97 A plus, from 90 from A but up to 97 means 96.99. Same this is your GPA and this is your grade point, this is your grade and this is your grade point. And for 0 to 59 F, and 0 from 0 to 62 60 to 63 D and 1. Now come to our formula, and for this problem we use lookup. So lookup, click tab, then see lookup value, and we want to find out, or we want to look up this value in the table lookup. So comma, then this is our lookup vector. From here they will a formula will find, search the value, and then result vector. So what we want to take here, that is grade, so up to this, then click enter and drag the formula. But here you say not applicable error, not applicable error, and just see why this problem has happened. Let's see formula, trace precedence. Okay, this table, but just see no test precedence at all. Let's see here value, when I drag the formula, then automatically our table come to the below. So here is no information up to this table. So what we have to do during writing formula, we have to fix this value by using $sign, and we can use $sign directly, and you can use F4 as well. Then manually we are putting $sign here, then $sign, then $sign, then $sign, then $sign. Okay, then click the same formula. Okay, now see test precedence, and because we fix the value, that's why when we drag the formula, this table stay the same place, not drag in their place. We can also for grade point we can do another thing, that is we can rename it as lookup value, lookup vector, and please write everything here like this one, lookup vector. And for this one, result vector. And here we just drag, but here we will use name thing, lookup. Okay, then lookup value also this one, and then comma, lookup vector, just lookup vector, click here, and then as we name it, so it's already select, and then lookup, and then result vector. So we have to, what we have to do, result, enter. Just see, either way we can use lookup, we can use $sign to select also, or we can name the range like this one, lookup value, and like this one, that is result value. Okay, now comes to VLOOKUP. Okay, most important thing here, okay, what is the most important thing? We have to understand the table, and table is very important. First, this value should be here, should be the left one, not here or not here. And then this should be in a table, and table from small number to large number. And in the last when I prepare use lookup, then you see it 0 to 60 means up to 60 F grade, 60 to 63 up to 63 means 62.3 grade. And we have to make table like this way always. So for VLOOKUP, what we have to do, just see, I'll write VLOOKUP, then this is our lookup value, then table array. So what you have to do, we can select this table. Another way, we can name it, and you already know how we name a range, and already I name it as a table. So another thing, just think this is a table, and this one is the first row index, this one the second row, and this one the third row. So this is a normal table. So just write formula VLOOKUP, and this is lookup value, and this is our table. That just select all things, and what column index we want to take here, that is column, that is index number 2, that is means this one, so 2. In this table we can put another $sign in front of E, then okay, use $sign here before column name, and then click here, then copy the same formula and click here, just click here 3, and then drag it. And I think all of you know why I put $sign in front of E, because this is our fixed cell, and for this cell we write a formula, and that is VLOOKUP, and we just copy this formula here and change the column index 3, and then it's come here, and you know the regions in your class. So just see, and just see one thing, E is fixed, so in the formula we put $sign in front of E and copy this formula, and same formula come here, and you just change the column index number 2 to 3. Okay, so this is all about VLOOKUP, and then we will solve this problem by using Hlookup. And you know what is Hlookup, how we can use this table. So just see here, we can transpose this value from here. You can transpose okay, and where is transpose? Okay, transpose. So for solving this problem, actually I already transpose this value, and you know how we can transpose this value. And here you see it, we already transport this one, and we already name it, and like VLOOKUP, this is called index 2 and this index 3, and use formula Hlookup. Then this is our lookup value, and we put $sign in front of D for, and then value H table, already the table name is H table. Okay, then table already selected, then column index 2, then copy this formula here and write column index 3, and you know the regions. Why? This is our value, and we put $sign here, and this cell will be fixed. So use drag this formula, we will get the result. By this way we can use $sign, we can use VLOOKUP, and what we are doing, we are using approximate number from not exact, and that's why we don't need to put true or false. Formula already take it as a true, and this is approximate, and for exact number we have to put false. Then come to $sign. In your class I already, in different problem you already saw use of $sign. For this problem I am using $sign for better understanding of your problem. Just why we use $sign. So what we have to do, what we have to do, okay, we want to find 10%. So we want to find out the 10%, the following number. So how, what is the formula? This equals to 10%. And then see what's the happen. So what's happened here? By formula we can use trace dividend and trace precedence. No, there is no value here. Value is fixed. So value in this cell and only one cell. And what we have to do, we have to fix this cell. We have to fix this cell. So what we have to put, we have to put dollar sign in front of D and 3. Now just see the result. As we fix this value here, when we drag, value will remain here, no change will happen. Just click and use trace dependence, then see then what's happened here. Okay, so all value are depends on 10%. Why? Because we put dollar sign in front of L and in front of 3, and you know how so this is the regions of putting dollar sign in front of any cell, and this one, just see, that is the region, value is fixed here. Now in our next problem, what you will see, putting dollar sign in front of row and column separately. Okay, so we want to find out 10%, 20%. Just not like this one. Select this and drag. So what I want to do in this problem, I want to find out 10% of this value here, 20% of this value, this table, from column D here, 30% here, 40% here, 50% here, and 60% here. And you already know the formula. What is your formula? Put dollar equal, then into. Just see the result, what's happened here. Okay, why this abnormal number? Because we didn't fixed our value. When we drag the number come to here, like this one, what's happened? From this one into this one. But what I want to do, find out 60% of 1 lakh. Find out the 60% of this number. So for these regions, first try to understand this thing. And just see, all value remain in D column and row is different, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, or it could be different. And same ways, all percentages remain in a single row and column is different, 5, E, F, G, H, I. So what is fixed here? D is fixed, D column and fixed. And what is fixed here? 4 is fixed. So during writing our formula, what we have to do, then put comma in front of D, because value is in D column. Okay, then and $D, and what we have to do, we have to put $sign in front of 4, because row 4 is fixed, but E, F, G, H, I are not fixed. So when we using this formula, then what will happen? And you see this value into this value. Why? Because we use $sign in front of D, and we fix this cell. Like this one. What we, and just see, this cell is fixed and this row is fixed. So but here 5, 6, 7, it will change, but are changing, and at the same time E, F, G are changing. Only one thing is fixed. Then you see, let's see trace dependence of this value. How? This one into this one. How it calculates? Because we fix D but not fix 10, and we fix 4 not G. These are the regions. And in difference problem, let's see, just see the formula. D is fixed, not 14 is fixed. So when we drag, value remain in D, but not but change row number, and I'll just see value remain in 4, row 4, not in same J. This is all about today's class, and see your video, and please give your assignment as early as possible.